No, Mom. We are not going to art club. We can crumble up Uniktty, Puppycorn and Little Petey's drawings and make them rhyme. You ain't no day. And now your day is ruined.
Miss Kate.
What is it, Dora?
Well, guess what? My evil clone, Violy, and Babydog crumbled up Uniktty, Puppycorn and Little Petey's drawings on purpose.
Oh my god, thanks for telling me. I will totally talk to them this freaking instant. Babydog, Violy, and Fora. Did you three crumble up Uniktty, Puppycorn, and Little Petey's drawings? Tell me the truth right now.
Yes, we did crumble up their paintings.
Fora, Violy, and Babydog! I can't believe you crumbled at Uniktty, Puppycorn, and Little Petey's drawings! You know that is disrespectful because they were appeared on their drawings! That's it! You are banned from here for life! Get out of here now, like all your parents!
Violy, we can't believe you crumbled up Uniktty, Puppycorn, and Little Petey's drawings along with Violy and Fora. That's it.
You are grounded until SpongeBob SquarePants, Sponge on the Run comes out in theaters. You will also write a 3-page essay on why you did that and an apology to them as well.
Go to your room right now and start writing that essay.
Fora, we can't believe you crumbled your Uniktty, Puppycorn and Little Petey's drawings along with Violy and Babydog. That's it.
You are grounded until you go back to school on April the 20th. And you have to do a 3-page essay along with your friends about why you did that and a eggy to them as well. Now go to your room right now or else.
I hate those dummies.
Babydog. How dare you crumble up Uniktty, Puppycorn, and Little Petey's drawings along with Fora and Violy. That's it, you are grounded until Easter, and you will be getting nothing from the Easter Bunny on Easter, and you have to do a 3-page essay along with Fora and Violy about why you did and a apology and let it to them as well. Now go to sleep and bed now, and no fetch with rough man, Paw Patrol, Bah, or Caillou for you troublemaker.
I hate those dummies.
Guys, we're so sorry about what those troublemakers did.
It is okay. It is not your fault, it was those troublemakers.
We know, but now, they got grounded and have to do an essay and apology. It will be a 3-page essay?
Hey! I have an idea. You three should draw what you were drawing before the problem happened.